Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show us how we can factorize this completely. Right, solution. We have 100x raised to the power 4 minus 25y raised to the power 4. Let's factor out the highest common factor here, which is 25. So we write the 25 out. We have 4 left, and we have x raised to the power 4 minus we have y raised to the power 4. 25 times 4 x raised to the power 4 will give us 100 x raised to the power 4. 25 times minus y raised to the power 4 give us 25 y raised to the power 4. Alright, now from here we can also write this as 2 raised to the power 2, and that is x raised to the power 2 times 2, which will give us 4, and this y raised to the power 2 times 2, okay, because x raised to the power 2 times 2 will give us x raised to the power 4, and we can put it together. We can put this together. We have 2x raised to the power 2 then raised to the power 2, okay, then minus here we have y raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2. Now we do difference of squares. Let's do difference of squares. Difference of squares. Okay, difference of squares says if you have a raised to the power 2 minus b raised to the power 2, the same thing as a minus b, a plus b. Okay, so that is what we are doing here. Let's write this. We have 25, then we have 2x squared minus y squared multiplied by 2x squared plus y squared. Okay, from here we can still go further. We can do difference of squares for this. 2 can also be written as 2 raised to the power 1 over 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, because these 2, we cancel these 2, and you have 2 raised to the power 1, same thing as 2. We are going to write these 2 in that form. So write 25. These 2 is same thing as 2 raised to the power 1 over 2 multiplied by 2. Then I have x raised to the power 2 minus y raised to the power 2. Then I'm going to write this 2x squared plus y squared. Now, a raised to the power 1 over 2 is same thing as square root of a. This is what I'm doing next. So it means I can write this 2 raised to the power 1 over 2 as square root of 2, then raised to the power 2. I have x squared minus y squared multiplied by 2x squared plus y squared. Alright, so we do difference of squares. That becomes root 2x minus y, then root 2x plus y. Okay, this is same thing as this. Then multiply by 2x squared plus y squared. Alright, so this is the final answer. We can't further simplify this because this is sum of squares. Alright guys, let's do something very similar to that. Let's try this. Let's factorize completely. Factorize completely x raised to the power 4 minus 36y raised to the power 4. Alright, so let's factorize the